How did Lakajev go from $25,000 in debt to building a 1.95 million sales funnel just using LinkedIn? In this video, I'll actually break down his entire funnel, all the different steps that he's been using in order for him to do so. These steps are actually stuff that you can implement as well in your own business. So make sure that you stick around to the end so that way you know all the steps that he used in order for him to scale to 1.95 million. All right, so let's dive in. So this is the entire funnel. This may seem really simple, but this is, as I said, like producing over 1.95 million in sales. So the first thing that he leverages is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the biggest like B2B platform, in order to get like clients, literally is the biggest one. So if you're not posting on LinkedIn, you should definitely start. So the first thing that he leverages is lead magnet posts, and we'll actually break it down. So lead magnet posts is basically whenever you have something that's extremely valuable that you offer to your clients in exchange for them commenting a certain keyword on your post in this case. So as you can see, I booked 749 calls and closed 283 leads in 10 months. I'm giving away my exact damn process that closed me 750,000 for free. And he's basically like going over exactly what's included in there. This post got over 3,000 comments and 805 likes in this case. So it did pretty well, So in this case, like you need to leverage something similar, and I'll break down exactly why this post actually worked. So the first thing that you'll notice is he said, I booked 749 calls and closed 283 deals in 10 months. In this hook, you can see a bunch of different numbers, numbers in your hooks, will tend to perform better than a post with numbers in the hook in this case. And those numbers are not just random numbers. It's like I booked 749 calls. Most people that you would talk to are not able to do that, so it's like super impressive. 749. So people, when they read through the post, they're like impressed, like, and it makes them stop from actually scrolling. That's the kind of hook that you want to create. Then from there was like, and closed 283 deals, and it's literally the same thing. Most people having closed 283 deals, especially in 10 months in this case. So yeah. From there, he's like, I'm giving away my exact DM process that closed me 750K. So he's basically like rewarding people for like reading the first line. Because they're like, this is how I've done X impressive stuff. I'm actually going to give you the exact DM process, that closed me 750,000, and it's free, It's like dopamine. This post is the perfect example of a post that creates dopamine, From there, it's like, took me 15 plus hours to put together and took 15 plus hours. So again, it's including numbers. And at the same time, when people see that it took a lot of effort, people just assume that it's going to be extremely valuable, So that's why like he's mentioning that it took him 15 plus hours, to put the whole thing together. And boom, boom, boom. He's basically including like the entire thing that they'll get basically with the training. And he's like, and honestly, I wouldn't even call this a lead magnet. So he's like, this is not just a regular lead magnet. This is basically a full value pack training that you get. And again, it's to increase the perceived value, of this training. And it's like, again, it's a 23-page Google Doc that walks you through step by step how to start booking calls on LinkedIn. Same thing. It's like 23 pages, super long. So it's going to include a bunch of strategies that I can actually leverage. It creates dopamine. Then from there, he's like, over 424 creators already have this social proof, So if the person wasn't like sure about getting the lead magnets, it's like, all these other people, right there, I've already used this, in this case. So if you're not using this, you're missing out. And at the end, comment leads and I'll send it to you. Must be connected. This stuff is, that's like a genius strategy. Let's actually click on watch again. In this case, this is the first hook. The second hook in this case is this one. So this is basically like the second hook that makes people stop. So in here, I can actually see like, the actual like documents, with all the different things, that's going to be included in the document. And at the same time, while he's speaking, look at this. He's like scrolling. So it's like people just see the crazy amount of value that they're about to get. And it entices them to like stop, and be intrigued in this case. So yeah, so that's like the first thing, is that he creates attention by leveraging lead magnets, and then he has like a bunch of people commenting leads, you know, and then guess what? He's probably reaching out to those people, sending them the lead magnets, but he's also able to get them on calls. And I'll explain why in a sec. The second type of post that he leverages are a conversion post. So a conversion post isn't a lead magnet post. It's basically a type of post where you educate, you know, and then from there, you include a call to action. And the thing that you're going to find like across like Lakajev's strategy is that Gary Vee talks about jabbing, and then hooking the person, you know. Basically what he's doing in this case is that his jabbing is hooking straight away. Jab, hook, jab, hook, jab, hook, jab, hook. So if you're doing boxes, you know that like that's a jab, that's a hook, you know. So he's basically like providing so much value in a piece of content, and then from there he's including a call to action for them to book a call. Social proof, you know, with the picture in there. Boom, funny picture, it stands out, you know, especially on LinkedIn. You wouldn't see like someone in their flip-flops, you know, wearing like blue socks, you know, so it stands out. So again, as I told you, how I close 900,000 on WhatsApp in 10 months, and then boom, this. So this is basically like the second hook in this case, and there's like a duck on top of it. Cool. So let's actually break down this post. And yeah, so how I closed 900,000 on WhatsApp in 10.5 months, 20% wearing green socks with Zoom slides. So what you can see in this post that he leverages a format that's like really clear. Like when you see the text, it's appealing to read, you know. There's like the stairs, I did the coffee chat thing, I did the 2 hours commenting thing, I did the posting consistency thing, you know. It's just like boom, it's like stairs, you know. And on top of that, each phrases are not too long. So if you're posting on LinkedIn, you need to make sure that your phrases ideally are below 10 characters, 10 words, I mean. So that way the text is like easy to read. From there, he's basically process sound interesting? If so, I'm looking to work with a small group of creators early next month to turn their LinkedIn into a multi-6-figure revenue channel. Interested? Let's lock in the chat here. Boom. You know, their strategy, you know, probably gets him anywhere from 5, you know, to 10 sales calls. Because I'm assuming with all the engagement that he's getting, 169 comments, 464, he's probably getting like 30,000 impressions. How much do you think it would cost for him to get 30,000 impressions if he was running ads? Literally like thousands. He's getting them for free because he's leveraging his LinkedIn audience in this case and his LinkedIn content. So yeah, cool. From there, as a result of those 2 posts, so the lead magnet post and the conversion post, what you'll find is that typically what happens is people actually check you out on LinkedIn. And that's another way that he's leveraging in order for him to get meetings. So basically, let's actually analyze this. So scroll down, click visit my website, make money on LinkedIn. That's the first thing that I'm seeing. You know, from there, if I scroll down, boom, click here to make money on LinkedIn. Let's actually go to that later. So you have this value prop. So build your business on LinkedIn. DM me 7FC to get started. So he's like enticing people to actually DM him. That's like a genius strategy. But the thing that I would include in there is actually include a link to his website so that people can actually go on the website directly just from this. Because that's an experiment that we've done as well. We've noticed that a lot of people end up booking by just like putting our link, you know, directly into the header. You know? So if it had the step inside of his header, he would probably book like 2 times more calls because people just like literally just go on there, they take the link, boom, then from there they paste it and they go on there, book a call in this case. And I'll also show you the exact landing page that he's using in order for him to like convert impressions, profile views into meetings. So stick around as well for that. Cool. So ultimately, the 2 most important things, you know, is like the header, is like value prop. From there, scroll down, click visit my website. So basically, everything that he is doing on his profile is created in a way that he basically wants you to just literally go on his profile and then from there go on his landing page. And that's how he's converting. So stick around because I'm going to show you the exact landing page that he's been using in order for him to scale to 1.95 million. So stick around. But essentially, like, as you can see, like he's creating a lot of content, but that's the main thing. Is like, it's not overcomplicated, simple banner, you know, and then from there, call to action is, hey, go ahead and go on that page, So yeah, now remember the lead magnet that I told you about at the beginning. So in this case, I told you that he's leveraging like lead magnet post in order for him to get a crazy amount of comments, and then from there, crazy amount of leads in this case. What he's doing, he's actually putting the lead magnets behind an opt-in page. This is a genius strategy because he's actually turning his LinkedIn audience into email subscribers. So he not only has the attention on LinkedIn, but he also now hones the attention inside of his email list. And he's using Beehive for this. So I'll show you an example of the landing page. My LinkedIn funnel makes me 1.5 million a year. I'm giving away my exact process that generated 2,000 inbound leads for free. As you can see, like this is really simple. It's like clear cut, no BS. It's like boom, here's the thing, enter your email, instant access, and that's it. People just go through it, and then from there they end up becoming an email subscriber. And guess what? He sends them 3 to 5 emails. But once he sent them the lead magnets on LinkedIn, so in the DMs, he's actually starting a conversation with them, because when someone comments on your stuff and says that they want something, it gives you a signal that basically they're interested, that they're looking for this, that they've struggled with this, maybe if it's like getting leads or whatever, increasing conversions, for example. So he's basically like leveraging sell by chat, and the framework that he's using the engagement method. So the engagement method is whenever you ask questions in order to find inefficiencies, and then from there you go ahead and book a call with them once you've unpacked enough inefficiencies in this case. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to include down below an actual like master script. It's going to be multiple scripts in different industries to show you different examples of how you can do this. And we've booked thousands of meetings with this framework, so you can basically leverage the same thing for your business as well. Once that's done, you're probably wondering what's an offer document, because the 3 to 5 emails that he's sending plus the sell by chat is basically like going towards the offer document. An offer document is basically a document where you have all of your offer, you basically break down exactly how you're going to help your ideal clients, there's testimonials, there's a bunch of different things, and he basically, instead of like going on sales calls with prospects, he's basically offering an offer document to people who have shown interest already, So throughout like his entire funnel, like those 3 to 5 emails, even sell by chat, the person shows interest. They're like, okay, cool. So I actually have this thing that could help you, would you like to join us? From there, people actually say yes, to receiving the documents. They go through it, and he's able to close clients without actually getting on sales calls, That's like, this is genius. Like no sales calls whatsoever, he's just able to do it through the offer documents. He's still doing sales calls, with people who might need it, who are not like ready to buy right now. So he basically like has a strategy that's tailored to different levels of intent. If people are like ready to go, ready to buy, he sends them the offer documents. It breaks down like how they can help. And then from there, they're like, okay, cool, let's go, I'm in, Then from there, if people are like, okay, I'm not too sure, boom, there's like a Zoom meeting, on top of it. Most people want to do either an offer document or just want to do the sales calls. Like he's doing both in this case. And yeah, now going back to his LinkedIn profile, as I told you, there's a specific reason why he wants everybody to go on this page. I'll actually not show you this one because I think that he changed it recently. I'll go on the old one. But how he's able to like convert most of these people is basically by leveraging a video sales letter. So a video sales letter is a value-packed video where you create an epiphany, you share your process, and then from there you include a call to action to go on a call with you. So as you can see here, 5+ warm leads per week on LinkedIn, no ad spend. Again, simplicity. It's like, cool, there's just a VSL, you watch it, and that's it, Basically, this VSL follow like, and I'll create like a video soon. Let me know in the comments if you want me to like actually do a video on how to create a VSL. But essentially, like every VSL is like both statements, how I can help you do X outcome, or how I can help you to get X outcome in this case. From there, there's like why you should listen to me, why I'm an authority, showing clients, explaining your process, and then at the end, basically like including call to action. And while like he's doing all this stuff, he's creating different epiphanies to blow people's minds so that way they can book a call. So yeah, and then if you click on interested, book a chat, what you'll see is basically there's like an opt-in page, where he's collecting their information before they actually log in the chat. So that way, if they still don't book a call, he still has access to the information and can retarget them with emails. You guessed it. So let's do a recap. So he leverages LinkedIn content in order to get more attention. From there, he leverages LinkedIn lead magnets, and LinkedIn conversion posts in order to get more profile views, or being able to start conversations. From there, he turns them into actual email subscribers. And at the end, he sends them emails. Once they show interest, he sends them either an offer document or tell them to go watch a VSL. And then at the end, he basically has conversations with them in this case. How I typically like to call this type of funnel is I like to call it a business influencer funnel. It's basically a funnel that helps you to increase your influence, while getting leads. We're not influencers, we're business influencers, Basically, we leverage a similar funnel, in order for us to book anywhere from 3 to 5 meetings, every single day, just leveraging LinkedIn content, paired with emails. And we also have YouTube. Basically, the aim is to not only get more leads, but to get inbound leads who are ready to buy. So I'd love to see if we can help you and build something like this in your business. So you can go ahead and lock in the chat down below. In the meantime, you can go ahead and watch this next video that's going to show you how to essentially get unlimited inbound leads.